The bathroom is perfumed for 24 hours, doing this only once. Today, I will give you a trick so that you can keep your bathroom smelly 24 hours a day with a pretty good aroma. It is similar to the aroma that the bathroom leaves just when you finish washing it. And the best thing is that it stays for more than 15 days. Welcome to Jennifer's Recipe Book. I invite you to subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications so that you are the first to receive our advice. This trick today is quite easy, and I assure you that the visitors who use your bathroom will ask you for advice for them to also have such a pleasant aroma. Let me know below how often you wash the bathroom in your house. In my house, we wash it every 3 days. I would also like to know from which country you are watching me so that I can say hello at the end of the videos. To do this trick, you will need a simple ingredient, and this is baby oil. You can use any brand of baby oil. You will also need a piece of cotton like the one I show you on the screen. And the last tool you will need is an absorbent towel like this one. This is a very cheap way to keep your bathroom scented for more than 24 hours a day. The procedure is as follows. You only have to add 5 to 8 drops of oil to the baby inside the roll that holds the toilet paper. Be careful that the drops do not fall on the paper. Then you must place the paper in its usual position. This will give your bathroom a very pleasant aroma, but you have to be careful that every time the paper runs out, you do the same procedure. The second trick you should do to help maintain this aroma even more is to take the piece of cotton and add 5 to 8 drops. Then you put it inside the trash can in the following way. The cotton must be left out of the bag or the plastic of the trash. This way, when you go to throw away the trash, the cotton that will be underneath will not allow the typical bad smell to remain in the trash can when you take out the bag. The third trick is to use a piece of cotton. The cotton that will be underneath will not allow the typical bad smell to remain in the trash can when you take out the bag. Ideally, when you change the bag, you also change the cotton, doing the same process. Before continuing, I invite you to make this video reach someone who could be of help. And we come to our last tip. This time we are going to add 15 to 20 drops of oil to drink the absorbent towel. You will do it this way. Then you remove the adhesive part and you must place it under the hand wash. And in case it is a hand wash furniture, you can put it in one of the compartments. Leave it there for about 15 days and it will be responsible for maintaining a very pleasant aroma. At least for 15 days, you will not have to worry about the bad smells in your bathroom. If you know any other trick or tip to perfume the bathroom, let me know below. Today's greeting is for Miss Ale Valdez from the Dominican Republic and for Leonisa Leon from Colombia. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to receive other similar tips, leave me below. I want more tips, so I'll know if I'm doing it right. Do it at home, and then come back here and let me know how it turned out.